A Legend of Heroes, the story of Bataan and Corridor. Good day everyone, you're watching School Doc bringing you a special report on one of the most defining moments in Philippine history, the fall of Bataan and Corridor. This is a story of courage, sacrifice, and unwavering patriotism during the World War II. That's right. When Japan invaded the Philippines in December 1941, Filipino and American troops made their last stand in Bataan and Corridor. Despite being outnumbered, they bravely held their ground for months against a powerful enemy. But the odds were against them. With limited food, medicine, and ammunition, their strength began to wane. Finally, on April 9, 1942, Bataan fell to the Japanese. What followed was the horrifying Bataan Death March, where around 76,000 Filipino and American prisoners of war were forced to march over 100 kilometers under the scorching sun with little to not food and water. Thousands of perished due to exhaustion, starvation, and brutal treatment. The resistance, however, didn't stop there. The island fortress of Corridor, known as the Rock, remained the last holdout of Allied force in the Philippines. Under the command of General Jonathan Windwright, Filipino and American soldiers continued to fight. But after relentless bombing and attacks, Corridors finally fell on May 6, 1942. Through Bataan and Corridor fell, the bravery of these soldiers inspired the fight for freedom. Their courage became a rally cry, and just a few years later, the Philippines was liberated today. We honor their heroism. The araw ng Kagitingan, Day of Valor, celebrated every April 9, remain as of their sacrifice. Their story is not just history. It is a lesson of resilience, patriotism, and the unbreakable Filipino spirit. Let us never forget the heroes of Bataan and Corridors. Their bravery lives on in every Filipino. That's all for today's special report. Mabuhay ang ating mga bayani. This is School Doc signing off. Thank you for watching.